good guys, welcome back to my profile or my channel or my feed, whatever it is. Why I'm talking all this shit right now. Hello my good guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to do the episode 2 for our huge book haul. So basically, rather than comparing to regular daily life pay, the haul of the books that I bought for you today is very less. So but anyhow, we are including the doodle notebooks here in this book haul as well. So if you want to know what doodles I bought and what books I bought, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with doodle notebooks. So here I have the first one. I'm so excited about this. So it came in this cardboard packaging. It's a spiral doodle notebook and you can color this up, but believe me, I'm so bad at coloring, sketching, whatever it is. I'm like a bad artist. I can't that's not my thing, okay? So here we have this doodle about their own brand and everything, how it formed and everything. So now let's open and see how this beauty looks alike. Just have a look. I mean, seriously, summers, this yellow pop-up color makes a bloody sense. So this is with yellow color, wow, yellow color in the front, and coming to back, it's all yellow background with the blue color pattern going on. And when you open the front cover page, it's blue in color, and here you should write your name and everything. I really love this combination. Like, I really love this yellow front, blue then, and this white, and it's a single rule one. Like, I'm more comfortable with single rule rather than white pages, so I bought the rule one. And here it has written that, remember, today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. I freaking love that. Okay, so we have this right here. It's a spiral one. Like, I really want to try the spiral notebooks because I'm more into normal notebooks, but this time I've tried out of the box. So we have this right here. So the doodle number 2, or the last doodle that we have in this book haul, is a set. So basically these are set of 2, and here we have the first one. Here it has written like lazy but talented, and back it has written with, like, it's not written, it's with green matte color. And so in the front cover page it has written lazy but talented. Like, let me tell you a story of this, that why I bought this set. Okay, so basically in the last minute that I'm going to confirm my order, I asked my brother, like, which in these 3 which one I should choose, and then he chose this set because he thought that this thing would really, like, this thing might applicable to me because I'm so lazy. I'm bloody lazy. I don't know about talent, but I'm so lazy. So it is also a rule one. As I said, I'm more comfortable with rules rather than white, so I have rules right here, and I'm so like crushing this book. And we have this right here, which is completely opposite because it's like a very plain but yet elegant, and you can see it's like a multicolor one, and all this multicolor pattern is going here, and then orange pop color, and it also like a rule one. And here it has given this about the doodle, the brand and everything. Now let's go with the book part of this book haul by the name suggests. So today we are going to start with the person that I really respect from the bottom of my heart, and that is Sadhguru. So I ordered 2 books from his writings. So Sadhguru has a lot of book writings, and so we have bought 2 of his writings. So here we have this Sadhguru Pebbles of Wisdom. So this is the title of the book, and this is from the publishers Jericho Books, Religion and Philosophy, that has written under like tagline kind of. So it's a quote book. So basically, when coming to these yogis, monks, or motivational speaker, they say a lot of motivational quotes or motivational things when they are speaking to people, or when they are doing an interview, whatever, or podcast. So like getting all together sum up this book, and I really read quotes and thoughts that day-to-day basis. Like after I freshen up, when I come to my room, I just take out my book, like one of my book thought book or this kind of a code book. I just take those kinds of book and read one thought, and I do generally upload them on my IG stories also. So please do follow me on my Instagram. So now let's go with the second book from Sadhguru's writing. So the second book that I've ordered from Sadhguru Writings is this Flowers on the Path. So basically, of course, this is from Penguin Publishers. Like majorly the books that I have in my collection are from Penguin Publishers. Like I really love their books. They have a separate website, of course. You can order their books from there as well, but I generally order their books or any books from Flipkart only, not even Amazon, because I'm so more interested in Flipkart because they are giving super coins, if that makes any sense. But anyhow, this is how the cover page of the book looks like, and backside looks like this. And there are totally 3 parts in this book, wherein which, for example, in How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, there are 6 parts in a book. Like that, in this book there are 3 parts that you gotta read, and everything is about your life kind of a thing. It's like a more motivational self-help kind of a book. The third book in this haul is from a female author. If you watched my part 1 or episode 1 of this book haul, like most of the books are from female authors, but here we have just only one because of this lockdown and unavailability of these products, books. So here we have the author by the name of Sudha Murthy. Like I admire her a lot, and this is one of her writings, that is 3000 Stitches, Ordinary People, Extraordinary Lives. And this is how it looks like from the back, and this is the cover page, and like her other books that she have written were here, like all the cover pages were here. Over 1 lakh copies sold. And you know what, this is again from Penguin Publishers. Okay, so this, I don't know what is about. I think it's about ordinary people who have changed their whole lives, because that's what it means, like the tagline mean that. So I can't wait to read this book. The last but one book is by the author called Vishal Anand, and if you are a student and if you want to read some books other than academic books, then you can really reach out for this book, and that is this 37 plus Grace Marks by Vishal Anand. And here it has written one amazing line, that is, because life is beyond numbers. Should I say anything other than that? Because this line says every shit damn thing about it, and I really can't wait to read this book. The last book in this haul, like I'm so happy because of this last book in this haul, because I'm so tired. There's just fan on. Generally I don't on my fan. I will off my fan and switch on my AC. AC is in repair. This is my shoot room, so I couldn't make any other thing because I shoot in my shoot room, that's it. So but anyhow, so this is the last book. So this is this Attitude is Everything, and so it is from the author Jeff Keller, if that is the right pronunciation. So I know many people love this book. Like I really want to read what is in this book that really made people reach out to this book like anything. And even Dhwani Bhatt has this book, YouTuber Dhwani Bhatt. So I'm so excited to read this book right here. So yes, finally we came to an end. End tag is right here. So yes, hope you all loved this book haul. If you did, then please do click the like button, share, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.